The next thing I want you to do is to turn to the person next to you. Brothers with brothers, obviously, sisters with sisters. Unless you're mahrams, please don't get me in trouble. There's going to be like a hashtag, fire sister Dunia. She made us do some weird stuff. And I want you to turn around and please do this. Either shake or hug the person next to you. And I'm going to tell you why. And then when I come down, I need someone to shake my hand or hug me too. Come on, ladies. I see you. I see some people not doing it. I'm going to point you out. Move over. Yalla. Bismillah. MashaAllah, Allah mabarak. Look at those real smiles. Can I tell you the research? Let me tell you the research real quick. So they did a study where they took women who were experiencing postpartum depression. And the sisters can relate to this, postpartum depression. And they grouped the women into 3 different groups. One group, they gave them antidepressants. And one group, they gave them a sugar pill. Placebo, nothing. And then the next group, they asked their partner or their husband or whoever is with them to just touch their skin, to have skin-on-skin contact for 5 minutes a day. And guess what happened? The women who got that 5 minutes of skin-on-skin contact reported lower levels of depression, even lower than those women who took antidepressants. Subhanallah. Now we know this is a sunnah of our Prophet ﷺ. I don't need to sit here and quote to you study after study. The Prophet ﷺ, to encourage us to shake each other's hand, he said that as long as you're shaking someone's hand, while you're holding their hand, what happens? Your sins fall. The Sahaba would sit there and hold each other's hands for like 20 minutes. And then they'd walk past the tree and let go and then reunite and shake each other's hands again. The Prophet ﷺ constantly touched his Sahaba. How many hadiths do we have of a companion who says, oh, the Prophet ﷺ spoke to me and he put his hand on my shoulder? Forget that. Hadith Jibreel, where we learn the adab and we learn almost everything of our religion. Jibreel alayhi salam came to teach us our religion. And before even speaking, he taught us the importance of physical touch, where the hadith says he put his knees on his knees and his hands on his thighs. Jibreel alayhi salam touched the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I can go on and on about the psychological effects of physical touch and the communication and how communication is more effective, but my time is up.